I'm going to use Aquascaping glue. So I purchased this for 60 pesos per piece. And then we're going to put glue on the stone first before we attach the dwarf hair grass. Before I use the stones, I disinfected them using hot water. The dwarf hair grass, I purchased them from Cartimar for 250 pesos per tub. The stones, 150 pesos per kilo. And then the aqua soil, you can also purchase it from Cartimar for 65 pesos. That's 1 kilo only. And then the fish bowl, I purchased it from a nearby pet shop for 250 pesos. This will be a self-sustaining fish bowl. I'm not going to use fertilizer, carbon dioxide, filter, and aerator. I already added the chlorinated water. Before we add a fish, we're going to cycle this for 3 weeks, and during the process, we will perform 50% water change per week. That's it for today's video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell icon. See you in the next video. God bless you.